Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going on a trip to Bend. We're about an hour away right now. Been driving for a couple hours already. Oh, we missed it. There's Three Sisters over here and then Mount Bachelor. I think we're gonna get to Bend, get some lunch, and then drive up to Mount Bachelor. We're gonna take our Suburban off-roading, hopefully find some snow or some mud or something. There's not a lot of snow up right now, so hopefully we'll find somewhere fun to drive. And then I also have my drone, so we'll try to get some cool videos with that as well. Hope you enjoy the video. All right, so we just pulled over. We found this big ravine that has a couple bridges on it, and we're gonna try to fly the drone through it. Alright guys, we just made it to Bend. We got some lunch. If you haven't had Left Coast Burger, it's the best burger place in Bend. You should check it out. Their burgers are the best, and they have this fry sauce that's so good. Alright, we found a good trail to drive down. We're gonna see how far we can get going on it. It's a little bit icy, a little bit of snow, some dirt. Should be fun. Hopefully we make it.